Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. Today we are continuing with the Unix series and today's topic is about the command. Okay, so what is a command? The command is the instruction provided to the system and it is pre-executed and pre-compiled. So when you uh, put a command in the your shell, then that command is getting executed and your Unix is going to or Unix shell is going to give the output. Okay, so that's what it says in the next line. By using the command, we can achieve the desired functionality. So suppose you want to see the date. Okay, what is the date today? So for that we have a command called as the date. So if you enter in the terminal the command as date and hit enter key, then the Unix prompt is going to return what is the current system date. Okay, so that is nothing but the a command. Date is a command. Similarly, we have lot many commands, but today we are going to focus on the few of them. Okay, so the first command is the log name. Okay, the log name prints the user's login name or print the name of the current user. So let me quickly open my Sysgen terminal and we can practice. So let me clear it quickly. Let's see, log name. So here, as you can see, the output is the Phoenix. Phoenix is the user who's currently logged into the system. My logged in username is the Phoenix. So that's why it is showing me the log name as Phoenix. So there is one more command. Okay, if you use it with any other command, you can get the description of that command, like why you are using this command. Okay, that is nothing but man. If you say man log name, then it's gonna show you the name is the log name, prints the user's login name. So description, it will give the description, print the name of the current user. Okay, so these are the options available. Hyphen help, display this help and exit, hyphen version, output version information and exit. Okay, so this serves as a manual for each and every command. If you type man and any command name, then you are going to get the complete detail of that command. So if you want to understand, like, okay, this is a command and I don't know what it does, then you can directly type man and that command name, then you will get the complete description of this one, that command, particular command. So now we came to the different screen here. So in order to go back to the previous screen, I can press Q. Now I came back to my original screen. So this is the man command and right, man log name. And one more option I want to tell you, like help option. Okay, so any command you want to know what are the options available to that command, you have to use the help. So let me say log name hyphen help. So it's gonna tell you like what are the different options are available. So this for this log name and all these commands we don't have like lot of options available, but going forward I can show you, like with the help of the help command we can retrieve what are the different types of the options applicable to each and every command. Okay, so now there is one more thing I want to discuss, like the version. So if you want to uh, see what is the current version, okay, for this command, then you can type version. So hyphen whatever you give after the command with the hyphen, right? So those are nothing but the options available for this command. So now the help is a option available for this command, as well as the version is a option which is available to this command. Okay, so here if you see, when I type log name hyphen version, so it gave me the complete detail. Okay, what is the version, what is the package type, copyright, every entire thing it gave me. So yes, so similar to logname, there is one more command which is known as the whoami. Okay, so there is no space in between, guys. Who am I? So it gives you the current logged in username. If you want to see manual page for who am I, you can write man who am I. Okay, so here you can see who am I, print the effective user ID, right? So whatever the options are available here, also we have help and the version. Okay, so let me go back to my original screen. Q, yes. Okay, so in order to clear the console, we have the command clear. I have already used it in the beginning of the video. So when I say clear and hit enter, the enter console is getting cleared up for me. So now I can write the whatever command I want, I can write from the starting, right? Okay, so the next command is pwd. So pwd stands for the present working directory. So now which location I am, right? Whatever operation I'm going to do, in which location it is going to do all those operations. If I'm going to create some files or some directory, what is the location it is going to store? So currently I'm in the slash home slash phoenix. So inside the home there is a directory called the phoenix directory. So inside the phoenix directory, whatever thing I'm going to do, if I'm going to create a file or create a directory, delete some file, delete some directory, all those things are going to happen within this directory. So I can quickly show you home and phoenix. Okay, let me open my system, C drive, join home and phoenix. Okay, so if I'm going, this is my current directory. If you see here, it says I'm in the home slash phoenix. So I'm here, right? Home slash phoenix, and whatever directory or the files I'm going to create, those will get created here. So earlier I have created one test folder or the directory here for some testing purpose. Okay, so you can see it over here, right? Yeah, cool. So the next command is the host name. Host name is nothing but the host name of the computer. Okay, if you see here, the username at the desktop and hyphen b2a jpp or something is there, right? So here if you see, the host name is the desktop hyphen b2a jppo. This is my host name. This is where it is connecting, right? Yes, this is the host name command. And then uname command. Okay, it displays the system information. So if you want to see what is the information for the system, it will show you. So this is cjoin, right? So that's why it's showing the cjoin nt hyphen 10.0. So if it is Linux, that particular version of the Linux will be shown here. Okay, and there are two important commands. One is the cal, another one is the date. Okay, so this cal is nothing but the calendar. If we write cal and click and hit enter, you can see the current month's calendar is the output here. So for this command, we are getting the output as the current month calendar. So now if you want to see what is this cal command, you want to see the manual page of this cal command. So you type man, then you type cal. So now you can see what are the options are available, as well as what does it do. Okay, cal displays a calendar. Okay, so you can read through the entire documentation. If you go through the documentation, you should be able to know what does it do, what are the different options are available. Okay, so you can get all the information here only. So I pressed Q and came back to the original screen. Now, as I told you earlier, guys, right, if you want to see whatever the different options are available to this cal command, you can type cal hyphen help. Okay, so now it will give you the list of the options applicable or available to the cal command. So hyphen m, hyphen 1, hyphen 3, hyphen n, hyphen s, small capital S and small n, j, small y, capital Y, and w. So these many options are available for this cal command. So let's try few of them. Out of all this, let's try few. So let me try cal minus 1 hyphen 1. Okay, so here what it says, when you say hyphen 1, it shows only a single month by default. That means whatever output we got here, we will be getting the same output here as well. So hit enter. Now see, for the current month we got the calendar output. Okay, and the today's date is highlighted here. Okay, now we have another option is hyphen 3, shows the 3 months spanning the date. Okay, so let's try that one, hyphen 3. So 3 months spanning the date means it will give the current month and 1 month before the current month and 1 month after the current month. So you can see in the output September 2021, October 2021, and November 2021. Let me hit enter. Yes, so now you can see the current month, 1 month back and 1 month forward. Okay, so previous month and next month and current month, three things you will get here. And similarly we have so many other options are available, like let's see that hyphen s. Okay, so when I say cal hyphen s, so what it is going to give, it is going to give me the current month calendar with start day as the Sunday. Okay, so here you can see it's starting with the Sunday, right? Su. Similarly, we have another option called as hyphen m. So if you want to see the calendar starting with Monday as the first day of the week, then you can write cal hyphen m. So here if you see, it starts from the Monday, right? The calendar starts from the Monday. So similarly, we have few other options, right? So let me try this y. Okay, cal hyphen y, it will give the complete years information. So starting from the January 2021 to December 2021. So if I try capital Y, what it gives, hyphen Y. So if I hit enter, now you can see 1 year calendar from current month. Okay, so all the before months, those are not going to be displayed in the console. Let's see, October 2021, November 2021, December 2021, and it goes on to the January 2022, February 2022, March 2022 till the September 2022. If you see, all the 12 months calendar is displayed. Okay, starting from the current month to the next year's month. Okay, till 12 months. Okay, next 12 months. So this is capital Y, and let's try this hyphen W. Let's see what happens with case of the W. So W is nothing but like it highlights like for the current month or the current date falls under which week of the year. Okay, so now when I click enter, if you see here, so the date is 12th, right? So the 12th, okay, so this 1 and 2 falls on the 40th week of this year. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 falls on the 41st week of the year, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 falls under the 42nd week of the year, right? Makes sense, guys? So this is nothing but the calendar command. So these are the options available to calendar command. So please go through it and practice it, and let me know if you guys have any doubt. Just put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Okay, and then the final command for the day, so that is nothing but the date. Okay, so let's see date. So it shows the today's date, Tuesday, October 12, 11, 03, 52, 53, 2021. Okay, so complete system date is displayed here. So let's see what is the manual page about the date says. So it says prints or set the system date and time. Okay, and these are the options available. If you want to understand more, you can go through the list of the options. We will be covering a few of them in today's class. Okay, so let's put Q and quit from this window. Okay, now let's start date hyphen hyphen help. We want to understand what are the options are available. Okay, we don't want to navigate to the different window. In the same window only we want to see, or the same console we want to see what are the different types of the options applicable here. Okay, so as I told you earlier, if you go here to the calendar class, you can see hyphen, right? Whatever the hyphen related things are there, after hyphen whatever comes, those are nothing but the options, right? Those are the options applicable to this calendar command. But here if you see for the date, okay, these are not the options, these are called as the format control, right? These are the format which controls the output. So here with help of these formats we are going to format our date. If you want to show your date in a particular format, we can use any of the format options. Okay, so there are so many format options are there. So let's see how to write these format options. So if you say date, here you have seen we have percentage a, right? Modulus a, you can say date hyphen modulus a. See, this is not going to work. Okay, because this is not an option, right? What it says, unknown option hyphen hyphen percentage. This is nothing of nothing but a formatter. This is not an option, you cannot use it like this. So for this one, how to use? So write date, right, plus, okay, and then what we can write, we can write modulus, okay, here put it in the double quote a. Okay, let me try now. Does it work? Yes, it works. So what it gives? It gives me the day, which day is today. Yeah. So it says short form, in the short form or the abbreviated form. Let's go to the option A and see locals abbreviated weekday name, example sun or month, right? So if you want to see the complete name, instead of the sun you want to see Sunday, right? So there, instead of the small a, we can use the caps A, right? Now let's see. See, we are getting the output Tuesday, right? Easy. So similarly, let's explore few of the other formats. Similarly, for the month, you can use small b for the abbreviated month name and caps B for the full month name. So let's see the small c and caps C. Let's see small c. Okay, and let's see the cap C. What is the difference between them and C? Okay, so if you see here small c and cap C, locals date and time. First, like it will give the complete detail, and cap C century like percentage y except omit last two digit. Like suppose this is 2021, so it gives 20. Last two digit are omitted. So similarly, we have so many other options. If you want to try, you can try. So let's try this small r and caps r. Okay. Small r. This is in the 12-hour format. If you want to display the time in 24-hour format, then you can try with the caps r. Now click 11:08:43 a.m. This is 24-hour format. Okay. So now Similarly, let's see, it gives hour and the minute, right? 24 hour and minute. So similarly, we have so many other formatters are applicable. So if you want to practice, just go ahead and practice them. And the two takeaways from this video is like one is the man and another one is the help. Okay, so anytime you want to know detail about a particular command, you type man and that command name, you'll get all the information about that command. And then anytime you want to understand what are the options or what are the formatters are applicable to this particular command, then you go and type that command, then space hyphen hyphen help. Okay, so it will give you all the list of the options or the formatter applicable. So this is how you can be like you don't have to go to the Google and search for a particular command to understand what it does. So entire documentation is available inside the Unix itself or the Linux itself. Okay, so you don't have to go to the website and search for it. You can here only you can get all the details. So these are the two important takeaways from this class. And next class we will be starting the files and the directories. Okay, so which is really very important. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or doubt, put them in the comment section. I'll address them as soon as possible. Thank you.